Good morning all. Today we start our grammar portions. Our topic is article. What is article? A, N and the. We all know. Article is added just before noun. There are two types of article, indefinite article and definite articles. Indefinite means when we are just not talking about particular place, person or thing, that is indefinite article like A and N. It's our indefinite articles. Definite articles when we just talk about particular person or place or thing, that is definite articles. For example, the. Before explaining A and N more and more, firstly I will clear to you, you should explain the Hindi alphabet from A to Gya, because our article always add before Hindi sound alphabet, means उस वर्ड के हिंदी साउंड के अकॉर्डिंग ही हमेशा हमको आर्टिकल को ऐड करना है. फर्स्टली हिंदी वोवेल, व्हेन द वर्ड इज स्टार्ट विथ अ टू अह, देन वी ऑलवेज ऐड एन, and when the word is start with Hindi consonant ka to gya, then we always add a. I will explain more and more. I am giving some example here. The example of an apple, umbrella, orange, elephant, MLA. These all are words. Hindi sound is start with a to aha, then I always add n. Second rule, when H gives the sound of a, not her, then we always add n, like an honor, an hour, an air, an honorary, an honest. So here we always add n. For example, my friend is blank, American, I add n. So I am giving here some examples. You will read. Now I start A. A is used just before Hindi consonant sound ka to gya. Means यदि हमारा word क से लेके ग के बीच आता है, definitely we always add A. For example, a pen, a uniform, a European, a mango. We will attention on the first letter. It is start with ka to gya. Second, when H gives the sound of her, then we always add a, like a hen, a horse, a husband. So I am giving here some examples here, like this is a ball. Ball first word is ba. I add here a. He is blank, university professor, not university. You, university. Your word is start with ka to gya, so I add here a. I think a and n is clear to you. I start the. The is a definite article. When we are just talking about particular persons, place or thing, then we always add the. For example, before the name of famous river, oceans like the Ganga, the Pacific Oceans, etc. Before train names, the Rajdhani Express, the Shatabdi Express. Before the names of famous books, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Quran. Before short form of country's name, the USA, the UK. Before superlative degree, like we are just giving the example of superlative degree, we always add the, like Ram is the best boy in the class, Radha is the tallest girl in the 7th class. With unique people like the earth, the sun. For example, we will say the earth moves round the sun, so we will add the, because here we are just talking about universal thing. Showing whole group, when just talking about the whole cause, like the cow is a useful animal, we will add the. I help the poor. So here I am talking about the whole caste, whole group. That's why I add the. With names of families like the Tatas, the Birlas. Before the post, like the president, the prime minister, the principal. So we always add here the. I am giving here some examples. You can see and give the study. Like Rani is the most beautiful girl. Here I am giving some examples for you for A and the. you will give the study. Firstly, you will remember about definite articles. When we are just talking about particular person or thing, then we always add the, and before adding a and n, we will give the proper Hindi sound. Then we will add a and n. The word is start with ka to gya. Then we always add a, and the word is start with a to aha. Then we always add n. So I hope this topic is clear to you. Here I am also giving some book exercise, so you will complete and send to me. Goodbye to all.